Hey guys, we are back and Foundation Fridays are now on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I do this every Friday, but I wanted to be able to be searchable and a little bit more easy to find. So here we are. We are starting off with the YSL new launch. Now, I saw this on my friend's Instagram and I was like, wait, I didn't see anybody talking about this. I didn't see anybody post about this. I need to try this. So let's just see what they say about this first. So the new, I need my glasses. All right, so we want to get into all of it, right? So the YSL new Bare Look Tint. I don't know about that name, but they have, okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 shades. They have 20 shades. It has hyaluronic acid. It's hydrating, light coverage, radiant finish. It's a lightweight skin tint that is buildable for fresh, dewy complexion. So I tried this. Now, you guys know I try a lot of foundations, especially because of my kit, because of what I do, right? And is this something that's makeup artist approved? Would I put this in my kit? I'm not sure. But let's try it. Let's try it out. So the shade that I got is number 17. And I was kind of debating in the store between 17 and 18 because the lighting in there was very not good. So I'm going to be applying this. I'm going to tell you guys my thought. I'll finish up my makeup. So let's get into it. I am going to be using this True and Luscious brush. It is a fluffy brush. I love fluffy brushes for applying foundation. We're going to ignore this little this button I have. It seemed like it was going away, and it's like, you're coming or you're going. You're coming or you're going. In Trinidad, we say you're coming or you're going. Make up your mind. So it looking real ripe, but we're just gonna let it rock. Now, okay, I'm ready. Oh my goodness. This thing, it feels honestly like nothing on your skin. It feels super lightweight, and I can understand if someone is very oily, they might not want a finish like this, but I'm really impressed with this shade. I feel like sometimes, especially if it's only 20 shades, you see a lot of brands coming out now with 40 shades or thinking that they need to have a ton of shades. I'm kind of impressed. I will say that it couldn't go, from what I saw, you know, in store, I think it could go one more shade darker, but this looks very good. This looks amazing. So I'm going to show you guys one side. So this is my no makeup side. Now, just so you know, I prepped with my Glow Oasis Probiotics Muru moisturizer. And this is what my skin looks bare, and this is what it looks like with the YSL skin tint. Of course, they said it is buildable, so I'm going to start like kind of tapping the skin, and this is going to help build coverage. So this looks incredible, and I think that it does have a bit of a, I'm using this as my palette. It does have a bit of a like perfumey scent, which I know a lot of people don't like, but I will say that it's not as strong as some of their other products and some other brands. Like, we'll talk about Valentino. I love the foundation, I love the finish, but it's very heavily scented, and I know a lot of people are not into that. So let's finish off this side. We'll put a little bit of concealer. We'll see how it lasts, how it works. I'm actually going to a YouTube event, a YouTube brunch, and a YouTube like concert with Mary J. Blige, Jean-Louis Tate. So I'm gonna get ready, and we're gonna see how it lasts, how it holds up, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, so I am finally done with my makeup, and I am obsessed. Okay, so this skin tint is on the very light side. I know some people don't like that type of coverage, but some people do love it. Now, when I am finishing my makeup and I'm doing these kind of weight tests, I try to do it with like concealers or by themselves, but the concealer that I use is the Clinique, and this one is called the Even Better. Now, this is a very light hydrating concealer, so it's not something, I wouldn't go in with something that's super matte or super full coverage just because I want it to match. And of course, I use very little powder. I use a bit of Juvia's Place to warm me up a bit, but I am going to leave all that information in the down section. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to go out. I'm going to to Mary J, okay? And then we're gonna see how she holds up, okay? We're gonna see how she holds up, because I absolutely love my skin to look very dewy and highlighty and just okay? But we're gonna see how she holds up. I am gonna spray with my I actually need to, oh, here it is. I thought this was it, but I'm going to spray. I'm actually gonna try this. This is the watermelon Bliss spray from Ciate. I was gonna say I was gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury, but we're gonna give this one a try. So let me just give myself a few spritz of this, and then we'll see what happens. So I am back. It is, what time it is? What time it is, Daniel?
Wait, hold on. I don't know why. Hello.
That is a Salon Beauty Doc, if you don't know her.
7:16.
It's 7:16, so I've been wearing this makeup for about 3-4 hours now. Actually, 3 to 4, 5 to 5 to 6 to 7, about 4 hours. And I have to say, I mean, remember, this is a tint, so it is not going to, you know, make you look very matte. Your skin is going to look very dewy, but I'm very happy with how my skin looks. I feel like I do have some shine, and if I wanted to touch up, I haven't touched my face at all, my lips, nothing. If I did want to touch up, it would just be a tiny bit of powder in maybe like this area. I am still gonna be out for the night, but overall I'm happy with how this held up. Let me know if you guys are into skin tints, if you are using any at all, and if you're gonna try this one from YSL. And I'll see you for the next Foundation Friday. Bye guys.